Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes. And now guys, we're gonna do some stir fry. Alright. And this one I got this Chinese stir fry and I'm gonna add some chicken to it. Alright guys. And when I'm gonna add all those seasoning, I'll let you know. Look at that guys. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna cut up my onion. I cut my garlic already, cut my scallion. I'm gonna wash my chicken. I'm gonna put about half teaspoon of paprika, or maybe a teaspoon. Let's put a teaspoon. And it's chicken breast, so I'm not gonna over season it. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning. I have my blended seasoning. I will leave a link. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon. And this is my ginger and garlic paste. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon. This is so good guys. I will leave a link how to make this as well. Super good. I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, maybe about a tablespoon, and that's it guys. We're not gonna put too much seasoning on it. All right, that's good enough right there. You give it this a little mix. If you want, you can add a little bit of flour and kind of fry it up a little bit, but I'm just gonna cook it down, like brown it up. A tablespoon of canola and extra virgin oil. That's good. I'm gonna fry up all of these onion, garlic, and scallion. Guys, I just love frying up these onion and garlic. Oh, smells so good. Oh, smells so good. And now I'm gonna add my chicken strips. I cut them in pieces of strips, guys. Can you see my pimento grain from my blended seasoning? All right guys, basically we're just gonna let this fry up or brown up a little bit, and we're gonna keep on stirring it. No water. All right guys, you want to give this about roughly 10 minutes. We're gonna keep flipping it and stirring it, and then I'm gonna add the vegetable. All right, and you want to continue to stir it. Just stir it over, okay? All right, look at that goodness guys. No water added yet. Okay, all the garlic and onion, scallion. Look at that goodness. I'm gonna cover it for about 5 to 7 more minutes, and then it should be good. All right guys. Woo! Chicken cooked now guys. All right guys, my chicken cooked now. All right, are almost done. Now let me show you what I'm gonna add to it. I have this Chinese style stir fry, and that's it. But boy, them skimmed with it, so me add a little bit more bell peppers to it. All right, and I add some pak choy, because look there, me just know pak choy in there. I have some cucumber, some mixed vegetable, and I'm gonna add a little bit of pineapple. All right, so we're gonna add this one first. This is my mixed vegetable. It's about a cup guys, and I'm gonna stir this in first. And it's not frozen. I gotta turn my stove up a little bit. My stir fry. And this one is frozen. All right. I'm gonna leave this for last because I don't want it to be too soggy. So I'm gonna add this one, my cucumber. I have some teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon, not much. Pak choy. And I have about almost a cup of pineapple chopped. Can you see the goodness there, guys? Look at that. All right, all done. Look at that goodness. So we're going to turn the stove off. And that's my stir fry for you. My chicken vegetable stir fry. Yay. Serve up some while it's still hot. Okay. Steam coming out of it, guys. Woo, I gotta clean that off. Ooh. I serve it up with a slice of bread, but you can serve it with rice. You can eat it just like that. Look at it, guys. Yes, yes. My Chinese stir fry with lots of vegetable, lots of chicken. Ooh, pineapple too. Get that sweet and sour taste. And I'm gonna add a little bit of mint for decoration. Wait, what happened to the mint now? Woo, something like so. And that's it, guys. I'm not gonna overcrowd the plate at all. That's the goodness right there. Yes, yes. Love upon me and I love upon you. Easy and quick meal. Under 30 minutes, you're good to go. You have a good day, guys.